going to give you a needle.
Okay.
When I count to 1, that needle is going to hurt.
I don't want your hurting needle. Ow!
And Logan's laughing about her to you.
2, 1.
I'm bigger.
Now which one was it? And I'm putting a band-aid on it.
No, he's trying to pound it.
It'll fit in there.
It's better. How much needle?
I don't know.
100.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
About. Who do you do to Daddy?
What? Hey, put it in the shirt, man.
What are you doing to Daddy? Aw, poor Daddy. You're making him cry.
God, he's cool nails. Say hi, Bo. I think Daddy's gonna try to stand up now.
Yeah, Daddy should. Oh. Uh-oh. You're leaking, Daddy.
Like, get back down here, Daddy. Oh. Hi. How are you? Oh.
Mommy, do you have any mirrors?
Mirrors?
Yeah.
You have one over there in your playroom.
Hi.
Where?
A red one.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Oh, man, don't hurt
You wanna take a look? It's there.
This is me?
I like this game. I just sit here. Ah.
Yeah.
About.
It's over there. Look in the buckets.
I'm not a pillow, man.
I don't know. He begs to differ. Oh, he's got room in there now.
So funny. Ow, my eyeball. That was actually, I would expect this in your mouth. Father, son, oh.
Let's see how many balls you got in there, Daddy.
Yeah.
I wanted to see you.
You can't see me?
I was just going to do something.
There we go.
I'm just going to
Is that it?
make you look in the mirror.
Yay! I
Wow.
stretched out my shirt. Look.
Do it again.
Good
Oh.
job, Daddy.
I've been doing it for like 30 minutes.
Say hi, Izzy.
He didn't say
So you gotta say hi. He didn't say
To the
hi.
camera.
hi, Mom.
Hi. Do you love me?
I do.
You don't sound like it. Are you mad at
Look in
me?
the mirror.
Are you mad at me?
No. They didn't look in the mirror.
Oh.
This is a mirror.
I think that's called a magnifying glass.
What's a mirror then?
A mirror is something you can see your reflection in.
Guess what hand I have in? Guess wrong. Guess what hand? Wrong. Guess what hand? Wrong.
You'll get it right eventually, Izzy.
What hand? Wrong. Which hand? Wrong. Which hand?
Yay! Finally! What's that?
Whoa, big.